Hey guys, this is Nick from ForexNoobs.com with some Euro USD weekly analysis for week starting Sunday the 24th of February 2013. You're looking at a Euro USD 8-hour chart, and in this analysis I'm going to be showing you some support and resistance areas. Now this is an 8-hour chart, but this analysis applies to any time frame. So you could use this analysis on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, even the smaller time frames. I just use the 8-hour chart because it's smoother and it's easier to read. So I'm going to be showing you some support resistance areas. I use these support and resistance areas to take reversal trades, but they can also just be used for entries, exits, all that kind of stuff. Support and resistance are essentially areas where there's groups of buyers and sellers. I'm going to start with resistance areas. They're areas where there are groups of sellers. So the first resistance area for this week is the 132.40 through to the 132.60. That's this one here. This is a pretty strong area of resistance. Last week price kind of went right through it, but this area of resistance does have quite a bit of history. It is quite strong, so I am pretty confident that there are sellers grouped up here. So if price pushes up to here, then we get some indecision forming in this area. I will possibly be looking to take a short reversal trade here. The next resistance area we have is up here at the 133.60 through to the 133.80. Now this is a pretty strong resistance area. It acted very well as support last week. You can see some bounces here, bounces along there. It is quite a strong area of resistance. Last week it acted as quite a strong area of support. If price comes up to this area, so if the bulls manage to break through here, come to here, and we see some indecision forming on this area, I will be looking to take a short reversal trade as per the rules of my trading strategy. I've linked to my trading strategy below. It's a completely free strategy. If you want to see how I trade, how I take reversals using these support resistance areas, check it out. Okay, the next area of resistance for this week is the 134.70 through to the 134.90 or 135.00 roughly. That's up here. Again, this is a strong area of resistance. We got a nice bounce from it recently here. I think this resulted in an actual reversal trade. Also acted as support recently there. Nice bounce there. Another bounce. And here it didn't really bounce, but it kind of moved away from it slightly before breaking through. So this is quite a strong area of resistance. There's probably loads of sellers grouped up here. If price manages to come up to this area, I will definitely be looking for some signs of indecision, so I can enter a bearish reversal trade. Okay, now let's look at some support areas for this week. The first support area we have this week is pretty much close to where price closed last week. It's the 131.30 through to the 131.50 here. So price bounced from here towards the end of last week, or it didn't really bounce from here, it kind of stalled on top of this level towards the end of last week. So I really won't be looking for a bullish reversal trade from this level unless price moves away from it first and then comes back down to it. So if price comes back down to it and then we get indecision, I'll be looking for a bullish reversal trade. Otherwise, if price opens near this level, I won't be looking to take a bullish reversal trade. But that being said, there are probably buyers down in this area. So I'd watch out for that. There are probably buyers. The next area of support we have is the 130.00 through to the 130.20. So this area here. If price comes down to here and we get some indecision, I'll be looking for a bullish reversal trade. Pretty simple stuff. And finally, we have the 128.90 through to the 129.20 down here. Again, a strong area of support. So if price manages to come down to here, I'll be looking for some signs of indecision so I can take a bullish reversal trade. And that pretty much covers all the support and resistance for this week on Euro USD. I will be in the chat room all week this week, so please jump in the chat room. We could take some live trades together. Other than that, have a great trading week. Hope you enjoyed the analysis. See you next week.